Welcome back, dear friend. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rebecca, and I love decorating for each season, and I love sharing it with you. I have just used some of the decorations from the Christmas holiday, bringing it down to a neutral state here in our home. Something very simple. We do use our fireplace in the wintertime. We just love the warmth that it gives and the glow, of course. You may not know that this mantle was a beam from one of the barns that was taken down on this farm, and some of the wood was used for flooring. And in our home, we got this beautiful beam on our fireplace mantle. The blanket ladder my husband made for me out of oak wood, and everything else you see there came from Hobby Lobby, Amazon, and the R tag was thrifted. I kept the wreath out for my back door, and this snowman was something my mother-in-law had made many, many years ago. I cherish and put it out for the holidays and the wintertime. I do have everything broke down into a series, and I'll put that link below in the description, as well as I will pin it in the comments section. And if you want to know about anything, you can go back and watch that series. But if you do have any questions, just leave it in the comments section for me below. The frosted trees, I had two that looked alike. I put those up on my mantle because I thought that the frosted look looked like the snow, and I added some little owl ornaments in the trees, and I thought these really popped up on my fireplace. So I wanted to leave those out for the winter, and I'll leave this up until the spring. The Snow People characters came from a website called Honey and Me, and I will link that below in the description box. Added the old vintage milk can with some birch wood and pine cones there on the left side of the fireplace. And on the right side is just a little milk can from Hobby Lobby, and added one of the trees. And also some pine cones in that. Moving around the room over to our entrance at the bench, I just left out a couple of items from the Christmas decor. There's a couple of little trees and a couple of ornaments. Moving on around the room to the hutch, a lot of people ask where I got my hutch. My husband made that for me. He ordered the legs and he made the rest. For my winter decor, I added a lot of my ironstone with just a little hint of decor sitting in front of the ironstone platters. Added my ironstone pitchers, a few dishes, and this will remain up till spring also. I thrifted the enamelware colander. The basket under there is one that my husband brought home from work, and I painted it white, and I just added there for extra storage. A lot of you have asked me where I got my table. It is by Kincaid, and it's called the Homecoming Collection, and it is the Farmhouse table and chairs. This set has discontinued, but it is still sold online. And this is just a little overall view. I've got an open concept where my dining room, my entrance, and my living room are all combined in one large room. You will find that most of my table settings are very simple. My husband and I use our table every day. We do sit down at the table for each one of our meals that we have together. Right off of our dining room is our kitchen, and I just decorated back to the original farmhouse style with just a couple of items from the Christmas decorations that I had used in that picture there on the counter. And I did use the lamb's ear ornament there on the sink. And this little cutting board came from Hobby Lobby. A lot of you have asked me where I got this shelf. The shelf is from Hobby Lobby. They still sell it. I definitely would wait until they had 50% off of it. And the farmhouse sign is one that I made. Keeping a hot cocoa section there on my tiered tray. And this is just my little coffee area. It remains there all the time. And the tea towel ladder came from Hobby Lobby. You could get it in the distressed white or you could get it in black. The chalkboard sign there came from Hobby Lobby. And the crock that I keep my utensils in, I thrifted that from Goodwill. I believe it was Goodwill. The noodle board is one that my husband made, And my husband did make this range hood when we redid our kitchen. And that home sign tray was thrifted from Goodwill. A lot of the items you see in my kitchen, I do have in my Amazon storefront under Farmhouse Kitchen. And the timer came from Hobby Lobby. The tea caddy came from Amazon, and those are honey spoons that I put in my tea. I just love them, and I also have those listed on Amazon. The homebody mug was a gift for Christmas. I just want to thank each and every one of you. My channel wouldn't be where it's at without the love and kind comments that you all leave for me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you're having a blessed new year.